TV campaigning for Josh Ramsey as Mr. Twitter. Not a smart idea. Anyway, this just comes with Mr. Twitter. 1, he's perfect. 2, he's hot. 3, great voice. 4, interesting dancing. 5, fine. Starting to switch in. 6, great. 7, if you went to good content or just like that. Why not about for stereos? They eat babies. They chop them up when they're cooked. They sacrifice puppies. And if you are female, don't go near stereos. They sacrifice you to a rock god. Let's go see what my mother thinks. Let's see what she thinks. Who she thinks should be Mr. Twitter. Another revenge is hilarious. Cat still was wrong. He's a great music. And you need to request beside you on your radio station. Every radio station I put, I just requested beside you. I wanted to hear it. I keep switching from radio station to radio station. Oh my god, it's so hot. So yeah, get voting for them. So get voting for Josh. Get voting for Josh as Mr. Twitter. Completely perfect. Or Mr. Twitter. Completely perfect. Completely perfect for it. Just you'd wear a dress and a crown if you won. You do a concert in it. Come on, who doesn't want to see that? I'm in love with a man and I want to see that. And also, don't come to BC. You'll come to BC. So you come to BC. Don't come to Vancouver. Or Abbotsford. It's too bloody hot. I almost can. Right now, this is all I'm checking my YouTube channel. I've watched oh my god, I've watched 972 videos. Okay, who am I friends with? Let's see, I'm friends with Marianne. Yeah, oh, Josh Ramsey. Mr. Twitter. Or maybe I'll put a link somewhere. Maybe. Maybe I'll put a link so you can vote. Maybe. But I also have Twitter. And Facebook. And MySpace. That should be pretty. And MSN. Actually, let's see. Because I forget about tomorrow. Oh. I'm going to stop talking and just keep saying, well, Josh Ramsey, or Mr. Twitter. Or Josh Ramsey, Mr. Twitter. Or Josh Ramsey, Mr. Twitter. Vote Josh Ramsey, Mr. Twitter. I will find you, and I will kill you. Okay, get ready to start this now. Yeah, okay, I think I'm done. Wait, one more. Josh Ramsey, Mr. Twitter.